Hello everyone, as you can see we have another Bespoke Post subscription box in front of us, and I actually don't remember which one this is. So what we're gonna do is unbox this, discover what we got together. One of the things that I do like about Bespoke Post is the fact that they do notify you in advance that you do have a shipment that will be arriving in the next couple of days, and you have the option to skip that month's subscription or select a different box as well. I remember I selected a different box from what they provided as the option, so we'll see what I selected. I really don't remember what this is. But anyways, so that is something that I do like about Bespoke Post over some of the other subscription boxes, is that you do have the ability to select a different box. So if you have any questions about Bespoke Post, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in subscribing to Bespoke Post, I will have a link to Bespoke Post in the description there. All right, so we got tooled. All right, so it looks like, I remember this now. So basically, it is going to be something that I'm pretty much going to be keeping in the car. But as you can see, it says enjoy. I like the way that they pack these. They always pack them very nicely. So I have a light, paracord, and a hex tool as well. So we get everything cleaned up and I'll be right back. All right, so we've got everything here. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at what we've got here in the tooled box. Like I said, this I believe is just a paracord with a clip, which I think is super awesome. I think it's going to be really good in the car. I'll probably attach the flashlight to the paracord here. And in here, we've got $5 off our next purchase at dangoproducts.com. Use Bespoke Post 5 off if you're interested in that. We'll see what we've got. Let's see. Tether gear grapple metal clasp 550 paracord cobra weave 6-inch woven 10-foot unwoven. So that's what we've got there. So 10 feet of paracord. Can never go wrong having paracords. So that's why I think it was between this and also this guy here as far as why I ended up getting this box. But yeah, so we'll take a closer look at this in just a moment here. The flashlight, we'll see how the best way to take this out. I always hate this type of packaging. I never know how to get this undone. But anyway, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at what we've got here. Power, IPX4, takes one AAA battery, which we've got there. I think maybe what we'll do is just go like that. There we go. Glad this wasn't too bad taking it apart. So here's our battery. Lots of paperwork and stuff like that. Take this out. Not sure why that was in there. And then well, that's nice. So you do get an extra battery with this. So I've got a normal push button for the light, and it looks like you can focus the beam, as you can see here. So yeah, I like that it's got stippling on here, but I mean it's pretty solid, and it's good just to have an extra flashlight. You can never have too many flashlights in the car, in my opinion. It does have the little pen. I mean, yeah. Let's see, best place to put this on. get a good grip on it here. Get that on in just a moment. But basically, this will allow you to, put it on your shirt or whatever you want there. I wish that this would come off a little bit easier looking at that. This guy here, we can go ahead and attach that. Although, like I said, I'll probably end up attaching it to the paracord. Just like that. There we go. And then it does have a case as well. So if you wanted to put this on your belt or whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and I'll be right back. It's a little hard to reach over the camera and put that on. So I was able to push that on. Like I said, it was a little hard to do, so I needed to get up and over, which I didn't want to do over the camera there. So we do have the ability to put that guy in there. I guess probably do it more like that. If you wanted to attach it to your belt, we do have the extra battery here. So let's see what we've got as far as instructions. Looks like it's made in Germany. Okay, so it looks like it's got a screw top, and that's where we're going to go ahead and do the battery. We already know about all of that. Know about that. And then, just like we said, put that in the belt. So, yeah, so those are the instructions. Information about following them. Take that out. It's got a 7-year warranty. That's awesome. And then we've got the actual instructions, which I don't think we're going to need. So, so we've got the paracord so far. We've got the flashlight, extra battery. Now let's take a closer look at what we've got here. Very nice packaging, actually. It's got a nice little magnet there. So it's got a hex drive toolkit. It's got 2 extra slots. It's engineered composite. Let's see, we've got the bit set. You can see everything that it's got there. It's got a storage chamber. It's got the hex extender. We've got a magnetic tool bit retention, and then we've got the heavy duty socket. So let's go ahead and take this out. Pull this out here. We do have instructions, so we should probably get those out too. So it's got the magnet on it, which is nice. That'll go ahead and attach to wherever. So that works. So let's go ahead and see this guy. So this is basically, if you want to hold up, it's got a belt clip on it and the magnet. So that's basically for storage and make sure that none of the tool pieces come out. This is the extender, so let's go ahead and see that. And then we've got the different bits here as well. So let's go ahead and see a, let's do a Phillips here. So, I don't know the best way to get these guys out though. Is it to push out? Nope. Huh, let's see. They're in there really well. All right, let's go ahead and get the instructions, see what they say. Okay, it is to push down. So we're gonna push down to get those out. Oh, okay, there we go. So that's coming out now. Push right down. So you can either use the socket. Oh, that's magnetic, that's nice. So you can get in there like that. I would probably recommend putting this back on just to make sure that the bits aren't going to fall out. But that's just me. But again, this goes there. This goes here if you need the extension. I mean, you can never have too many toolkits in the car, flashlights, or paracord. So that's why I ended up getting this. All right. So anyways, if you have any questions, oh, and it's magnetic going back in there too. So that's nice. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting. And let's see if there's anything else to share. I think that's really it. I mean, I think this is overall, it's a good box. like I said, I like Bespoke Post because you can pretty much figure out what you want or skip a month. And the skipping a month is actually really nice as well because not all subscription boxes allow you to do that. I wish more would. So anyways, this is the box. It's tooled. You can get it yourself. I'll leave a link down in the description. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do lots of things on the channel that a professional geek might find interesting, and me, myself, being a professional geek, like to share things that are of interest to me and will hopefully be of interest to you as well. So we do a lot of things that are like Star Wars related, you know, geek culture related, but we also do other things as well, like home automation, electronics, going to theme parks, just having fun. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, and with that, have a great day.